That first cold scrape across the top. You have done it hundreds of times without thinking about what is inside.
Firm when cold, soft when warm, salty on the tongue before it melts. One of the most recognized blocks of fat in the country.
Parathas, dal, toast, rice, chai time bread. Amul Butter is in more Indian kitchens than almost any other single product. And all of it starts not in a factory dahis, but in a village, with a buffalo and a steel pail. Before any machine runs, the milk has to arrive. And in this system, it starts with a farmer, not a corporation.
Every village has a collection point. The milk is weighed, tested for fat content, and the farmer is paid on the spot.
Fat content decides the price because butter is made from fat, a cledal, and every percentage point matters.
Chilled tankers collect from villages and move the milk to the dairy before the morning is over.
At the dairy, every tanker is tested before a single litre is unloaded.
Only approved milk enters the silos. From here, the butter process begins. Whole milk is not butter. First, the fat has to be separated from everything else.
A centrifuge spins the milk fast enough that fat and liquid separate by weight. Skim milk goes one way, Prus, for powder, curd, or other products. Cream goes the other, Prus, toward butter. The cream is tested for fat concentration. Butter needs cream with high butter fat, typically above 35%.
If the fat is low, the cream is adjusted until it hits the right concentration.
The cream is pasteurized, heated to kill bacteria, and make the product safe for storage and consumption.
Held at temperature long enough to eliminate harmful organisms, then cooled immediately.
After pasteurization, the cream rests in a ripening tank. This is not waiting, Paco, it is preparation.
When the fat has crystallized enough, the cream is ready for the step that turns it into butter.
The churn does one thing, tantud. It beats the cream until the fat clumps together and the liquid separates out. The beater breaks fat globules open, free fat clumps together, buttermilk separates. That clumping is butter being born. Buttermilk drains away. What remains is raw butter, wet, grainy, and not yet finished.
The buttermilk is not wasted, igard. It moves to its own product line.
Cold water washes through the butter to remove leftover buttermilk. The worker kneads the butter, pressing out water and folding the fat into a continuous, smooth mass. As moisture leaves, the color deepens and the texture tightens. Salt is added during working, Petrus, measured precisely so every block tastes the same.
Moisture, salt, and taste are all checked before the butter moves to packing.
Now it is butter, real, finished, and ready for the block you recognize.
The machine cuts exact weights and shapes them into the block format. The gold wrapper folds around every block, the same wrapper that has been on Indian tables for decades. Same gold, same logo, same block. Millions of these wrapped every week. Every block is weighed because the number printed has to match what is inside. Date and batch are stamped so any issue traces back to the exact churn run. Boxed and moved into cold storage immediately, Persian. Butter does not wait at room temperature. From the moment it is packed, the butter stays cold. Refrigerated trucks carry it out own views. The cold chain cannot break between factory and shop. At every transfer point, the temperature is monitored.
On the shelf, the cold chain finally reaches the customer.
Every batch is cut open and inspected for moisture pockets, color, and salt distribution.
Moisture content is measured because too much water means less butter and shorter shelf life. Fat content is verified because butter has a legal minimum porting, and Amul holds above it.
Microbiology tests confirm pasteurization worked and the product is safe.
In a kitchen, the entire process disappears. All that remains is the taste. Milk from a village buffalo, separated, pasteurized, ripened, churned, washed, salted, and wrapped in gold. That is how Amul butter is made.
What surprised you most? Tell us in the comments.
Next on Process Pulse Factory, you meet another product from your kitchen, made in ways you have never seen.
Process Pulse Factory. Subscribe for the next process.